How to set up Pinterest business account on mobile. So firstly, make sure that Pinterest app is installed on your device. Open the app and log in to your account. After that, you will land to the home page. From the bottom panel, click on your profile icon to go to your profile section. In your profile section, at the top left corner, you will see your profile icon. Click on it. And now you will land to your settings. Under the settings section at the top, you will see the option Account Management. Click on it. And now you will see your account details right here. You will also see an option Convert to a business account. Click on Convert to a business account to start the process. You can also read the description and click on Convert Account. You will need to add your profile name or business name. Then click on Next. There are total 8 steps which you will need to follow. Now if you have a website, add it or else skip it. You will need to select a factor to describe your business. After that, click on Next. Now choose an option and again click on Next. And just like that, your account has been transformed into a business account. You can also go to your profile and check it. That's all for today. Thank you.